We're good.
Okay. All right, so we are live here for this Battle of the Sound matchup as Westhampton has the 3-1 lead on goals from Reese King, who scored twice, and that last goal scored by Ava Derby, assisted by Reese King. Derby also with an assist in this one. And Wantagh's goal coming from Sienna Diglio. So a 3-1 lead for Westhampton as we're now back at the draw circle. So on the draw, it's Reese King for Westhampton up against Juliana Sarasi for Wantagh. And this possession goes to Wantagh. So here comes Sienna Diglio. So Wantagh, their first matchup earlier today as they took on New Canaan. A close game that saw New Canaan come away with that one 9-7. And the Friars, their first matchup against St. Anthony's, the game that went to the Friars 10-6. As that shot by Dankenbrink sails high. So possession with Sarasi as she gives to Isabel Sandoval. Now that's fourth offer. So Wantagh now 10 on the shot clock. So Mia Dankenbrink back to Sarasi. And Sarasi gets the call with 6 seconds on the shot clock. Oh, and that shot off the bottom of the pipe. So as Westhampton with it, Reese King carries up the field, gives to Lily Johnson. And now possession with Nikki Lee. Oh, and looking for that pass there as that one goes awry. Killeran looking to keep it in bounds for Westhampton. But this one is going to be going the other way. So possession back with Wantagh. Nice job by Kate Chilhawley there. And here come the Warriors. As Diglio gonna pop this one back out to Sarasi. Sarasi up top, matched up against Reese King. And the contact there, keeping this one with Wantagh. So Sarasi lined up, looking to make this a one-goal game. Sarasi able to score. So Juliana Sarasi, the JMU commit, makes this a 3-2 game. And that one is going out of bounds. Possession going back to Wantagh. So Paige Martin going to give to Madeline Gonzalez. And Gonzalez will look for an outlet. On Westhampton as they look to ride it back. Diglio maintains possession for Wantagh. But this one back on the ground. And both teams fighting for the ground ball. And it ultimately goes to fourth offer. So Wantagh going to settle things down, but already a late clock as they have 15 seconds. Now that's Bella Sandoval. Sandoval looking for the inside roll. That shot saved by Maya Farnan. Farnan looking for Ava Fiala. Catches it on a bounce and gets that one up ahead to Caden Dorn. And now that's Peyton Warby giving to Bree Provenzano. Provenzano using the pick by Reese King. Ball down as Sarasi there with the pressure. And that's Derby. Derby with the goal. So that's 2 now for Ava Derby. And it's Westhampton back up by 2. As Wantagh looks to clear, Bridget Smith being hounded by Reese King. They work it over to Paige Martin. Paige Martin seeing a double, looking to stay in bounds. She does, and gets that over to Diglio. So as Wantagh works with it, it's Sarasi back to Diglio. 20 to shoot for the Warriors. Good defense there by Lanning. And stepping off sides there was Reese King, so this one stays with Wantagh, but only 8 to shoot. Diglio, oh, the look inside. What a handle, and the goal. Wantagh coming back with that goal by Kylie Connors. As we get another look at that on the instant replay courtesy of LI Sports Network. Meanwhile, on the other end, it's Reese King lined up for a free position. That shot goes wide there. So possession back with the Warriors. Paige Martin being doubled. Martin looks to clear. Westhampton, though, bringing pressure on the ride as Martin gives to Bridget Smith and now works it over to Bella Sandoval. And now that's Diglio. And that shot gonna be a save there by Farnan, and Dorn with the ground ball for Westhampton as she works it back to Farnan. So it's Chloe Mosher gonna redirect. Now it's Gabby Wendell as she goes up ahead to Ava Derby. Oh, Derby, nice look ahead. And that shot is a goal for Regan Schindler. Westhampton coming right back as we get another look at this one. So Derby, nice look ahead up to Schindler, and she takes care of the rest. So the 8th goal of the game takes us back to the draw circle. It's the sophomore Ava Derby for Westhampton going up against Juliana Sarasi. And Derby able to win that to Schindler. And this matchup, should note, it does have the chance to be a potential Long Island Championship preview, as this one picked off by Bridget Smith on the look ahead for Sarasi, but ball scooped up there by Chloe Mosher. Oh, but Sarasi with the check from behind, looking to give it back to Wantagh, out of bounds, and this one goes back to the Hurricanes. But again, this matchup, a chance at a Long Island Championship preview in the spring. Both teams representing Class C. The contact there drawn by Shannon Killeran. And Killeran, that bouncing shot is going to be a save by Gonzalez. Fight for that ground ball. Ultimately goes to Riley Forthoffer. Forthoffer, the give to Sandoval. And Wantagh going to slow things down. So possession with Sandoval as she gives back to Forthoffer. Up top now with Sarasi. That bouncing shot goes wide there. The ground ball goes to Peyton Noss. 15 on the clock, looking for Sandoval, but that one broken up. And it's Farnan looking to get it up to Schindler, and she does. So the Hurricanes looking to build on their lead. Derby now looking to elude Sarasi. This one's going to stay with Ava Derby, who draws the contact. That shot, a stinger by Ava Derby. Throw your hats. That's a hat trick for Ava Derby. And on the turnover, Westhampton looking for more. But this one will be going back to Wantagh, it appears. And it is. So Diglio looking to clear for Wantagh. Oh, but it looks like they're just going to say she stepped out of bounds there. Good job on the ride by Shannon Killeran, creating that turnover. So that's Lily Johnson. Oh, looking there for Dorn. Pass maybe just a little too high to handle, but Killeran keeping the ball alive for Westhampton. And so it's Ava Derby. Derby getting the pick from Schindler, but that will in fact be a moving pick, giving this one back to the Warriors. So Bridget Smith up ahead to Paige Martin. So as Wantagh works this around. Now that's Diglio. That's Ava Derby with the coverage. Oh, and that one picked off, going the other way. As Derby with the stick check, and that pass lines up in the stick of Haley Donahoe. And Reese King with the give. Oh, and that shot by Lanning off the crossbar. Ground ball by Derby. And a fresh clock to work with for Westhampton. Oh, and that's Reese King looking to attack. And that's a goal for Reese King. And that's her third of the game. Now here comes Bridget Smith as Provenzano looks to hunt her down. And a nice job of protecting Bridget Smith. This one's staying with the Warriors. So Diglio up top. And now that's Riley Forthoffer. Forthoffer the look. And Martin taking the contact there with 10 on the shot clock. We're now under a minute remaining. And this will be a free position for the Scranton commit, Paige Martin. And Westhampton doing a good job of getting sticks in there. Now the clock at 5 for Mia Dankenbrink to give to Diglio, and looks like we'll just play on as that shot was off in time. So that'll be a save for Maya Farnan. Here comes Reese King as Diglio looks to chase her down, and she does, knocking this one free. Give the ground ball to Bridget Smith. Here comes Bella Sandoval for the Warriors inside of 20 seconds in the first half. Wantagh can play for the last shot. Now inside of 10, it's Bella Sandoval. Oh, looking for Dankenbrink. Wantagh, though, still with it. They can get a shot, but they're not going to get one off. So that'll be a 7-3 game going into halftime. We'll take a quick break and come back shortly. All right, back live here for the second half of Wantagh and Westhampton. And the opening draw won by the Warriors, who trail in this one 7-3. Sarasi the give for Sandoval. And that's a great way to start the second half for Wantagh. Looking to get back in this game as they force a turnover. Sarasi back to Sandoval. Oh, but that one is going to be saved by Maya Farnan. So Farnan preventing back-to-back for Wantagh. And so on the other end, It is Westhampton with possession here. It is Peyton Warby. And now that's Anya Byrne to Provenzano. And they're going to call Bridget Smith for the push there, and this one will stay with Westhampton. And that's going to be a goal for Peyton Warby. So an 8-4 game now. Hurricanes back up by 4. And we are going back to the draw circle. So it's UNC against JMU. King up against Sarasi. And that's a win on the draw for Reese King. And Reese King, oh, that shot goes high. Reese King wanted that one. That would have given her her 4th in the game. So it's Lily Johnson as she gives back to Reese King. And now that's Shannon Killeran dumping that one off to Tierney McEntee. McEntee, the freshman, playing with the varsity squad. And so that's Lily Johnson who gives back to Reese King. Shot clock approaching 10 seconds. Oh, Reese King splitting the defense, drawing the contact, and with 9 on the shot clock, this will be a free position for Reese King. King, that shot. That one wide. Only 4 to shoot though. And Westhampton gets it off in time. So Dorn on that finish. And give that assist to Nikki Lee. So this is the largest lead for Westhampton as they lead 9-4. For Wantagh, wasting no time as they come back quickly. And this possession with Juliana Sarasi looking to answer back for the Warriors. Sarasi, and that's going to be a save for Maya Farnan. Give the ground ball to Donahoe, and the outlet to Chloe Mosher. Mosher to Johnson. Westhampton looking to push. The give to Lee. Oh, and Lee just loses it on that shot. Ball down. Lily Johnson fighting to keep possession, and she does. So still just over 30 on the shot clock for Westhampton. Shannon Killeran looking for King. Oh, King. She was looking for the highlight reel, but instead, that's going to be a dangerous shot. And so the yellow card now puts Wantagh up a girl here for the next 2 minutes. So the card should expire, let's say, at 11:30. So Wantagh looking to take advantage here. Up a girl as they trail this one by 5. Tiglio. That pass, she was looking to get that to Peyton Noss. Gonna call the push here. So Noss lined up center hash for the free position. Noss, that bouncing shot is a goal. So Peyton Noss bringing the Warriors back within 4, and they get the turnover. Does Kylie Coners. And so Wantagh looking for more here. Still up a girl. Diglio gives to Sarasi. Now it's back with Diglio. So Diglio, as she's covered there by Gabby Wendell. Oh, and looking for the strip there was Donahoe, and she has it. Donahoe just sneaking up from behind, and the trail check forces the turnover. But now this one back on the ground. Still a fight for the GB, and it's Bridget Smith who comes up with it. And by the way, that card was released, so team's back at even strength. So ball with Paige Martin as she gives to Bella Sandoval. So Wantagh looking to get back within 3. Still a ton of game left. Forthhofer, oh, the look for Dankenbrink. Oh, but Dankenbrink swarmed and loses the ball. Scooped up by Reese King. And so Reese King gives to Provenzano on the pick, the shot, excuse me, the pass, and that shot, the BTB shot by Ava Derby, but that's a save for Madeline Gonzalez. Would have been a highlight reel right there from Derby, but instead it's Wantagh coming the other way. So Forthhofer up top, being defended by Derby. Forthhofer shot is going to be a save for Maya Farnan on what a GB by Ava Fiala, and flips it back to Farnan. Farnan now gives to Wendell, and Wendell gets that one up ahead to Kenzie Schindler, and now it's with Bree Provenzano. On the look for the cutting Amademo, and that's a goal. And give the assist to Anya Byrne. And the takeaway by Provenzano leads to the goal for Reese King. Oh, excuse me, that was Warby on that takeaway. So give the cause turnover to Warby, and the assist and the goal by Reese King, which is her 4th of the game. So 2 quick ones for Westhampton, and the lead now at 6 as they lead 11-5. So now back to the draw circle. Derby up against Sarasi. And the ground ball to Sophia Amademo. So possession with Ava Derby looking for the cutter. It's Lily Johnson. And this will be a free position for Lily Johnson, looking to extend that lead for Westhampton. Johnson the give. And Derby gonna show patience. Oh, now looking for the cutter. Ball down though, as she was looking for Lily Johnson. And the ground ball to Mia Dankenbrink. As Lanning and McEntee applying pressure there, but Wantagh able to clear up to their offense. So fourth offer gives to Sarasi, and Sarasi looking to get inside. Great defense by Westhampton, but a little too much contact, as this one will stay with Juliana Sarasi. Sarasi, that shot is a goal. So for Juliana Sarasi, that gives her her second goal, as Westhampton looks to come back. Derby to Johnson. That shot saved by Madeline Gonzalez. And here comes Wantagh. Fourth offer looking to push. And now Wantagh gonna settle things down, trailing by 5 with 5:20 remaining. So 25 on the shot clock for Wantagh. Sienna Diglio operating at X. And this ball down, and give the ground ball to Caden Dorn. Dorn up ahead to McEntee. Here comes Tierney McEntee. And now that's Regan Schindler. So this one stays with Schindler. Now Schindler down the chute. Loses the ball. And the ground ball goes to Sienna Diglio. On a dangerous pass. This one tipped, though, out of bounds. Off of the stick of Shannon Killeran. So this one stays with Wantagh. So a good job of clearing the ball, Sienna Diglio. Now that's Bella Sandoval. Westhampton setting a double on Sandoval, loses the ball, and the ground ball to Reese King. And how about the handle there by Dorn? And Dorn flips to Derby. So we are now at the 3-minute mark in this one. On the look for the cutting Reese King. Ball down though. And give that ground ball to Bridget Smith. So Bridget Smith Nice job clearing for Wantagh after securing that ground ball. So it's Bella Sandoval as she gives to Mia Dankenbrink. Now up top with Sienna Diglio. Shot clock at 25. Now it's Forthhofer. Forthhofer gets the call. So with 12 seconds on the shot clock, this will be a free position for Riley Forthhofer. Forthhofer, bouncing shot, saved by Maya Farnan. Farnan looking for the quick outlet to Caden Dorn. And Dorn looks for Anya Byrne, but that'll be a turnover. Give the ground ball to Paige Martin. And Martin up to Sienna Diglio. And Westhampton looks to get it back. Haley Donahoe in the mix. As we have 1 minute remaining in this one. So Westhampton gonna pick up a win in this game, and they will then face the winner of the next matchup, Cold Spring Harbor and Suffern. So this is on the 5th place side of the bracket. So the winner of Cold Spring Harbor Suffern will face Westhampton at 7:45 as Wantagh gets the goal there for Mia Dankenbrink. And Fiella up ahead to Ava Derby. But that one picked off by Bridget Smith inside of 10 seconds. And let's see if Wantagh looks for one more shot. The look for Dankenbrink, just unable to handle that one cleanly. And that will do it. So that'll be an 11-7 win for Westhampton. So we will take a quick break and come back shortly with the start of the next matchup.